To do that, you just need to go to the main menu, okay? Select Tools, and then click New Chart. After that, to find the asset you want to trade, you can simply click on the chart and type the trading code as you can see. When you enter the code, a window with several options will appear. These options indicate which broker or exchange the signal comes from. Make sure to select the signal from the broker connected to your platform or the one you wish to trade with if you have more than one. After select the asset, it will show you on your chart. You can search for other types of assets using the same method. For example, type gold if you want gold, or type Brent if you want Brent, or type MES if you want micro S&P 500, and so on. Now let's talk about the chart itself. This is where traders spend most of their time because it's where we analyze price movement and make trading decisions. Right now, you're looking at candlesticks, which are one of the most common ways traders visualize price data. Each candle represents price movement during a specific period of time. And that period of time is controlled by something called time frame. To change the time frame, you can simply type it on the chart as before. So for example, if you want a 4-hour chart, type 2040. For a 60-minute chart, type 60. If you prefer a 3-day, 1 week, or 1 month chart, type 3D for 3 days, 1W for 1 week, or 1M for 1 month. You may also want a Renko chart. To that, you can simply type a block size followed by a letter R. Type 10R to display a Renko chart with block sizes of 10. Different traders prefer different time frames depending on their trading style. So for example, short-term traders usually use smaller time frames, while long-term traders may use larger ones. You can also change the time frames or the chart type by clicking here on the corner. Here you change the time frame, right? And here you can choose another type of chart as mountain or Heikin Ashi, for example. Another important thing to know is how to navigate the chart efficiently. For example, you can zoom in and out of the chart to see more or less price history. To do that, you can scroll your mouse up with the Ctrl pressed to zoom in, or down to zoom out. Or you can use the minus tab or plus tab on your keyboard. Or even you can just drag the date bar or use the fast buttons to zoom in and out. You can also explore previous price movements by using the hand tool. You can select it here on the sidebar, or you can simply click Ctrl on your keyboard and use the hand to explore previous days. And this is useful because traders often look at the past price behavior to understand how the market reacted in certain areas. This kind of context can help you build a better analysis.